Portals in Canto are a great way to share media with your clients or anyone that you need to deliver files to. In this quick video, I want to show you how you can make sure that your media is available for viewing. I'm viewing all of the images in my Canto library right now. When I click on the library menu in the upper left corner, I can view a list of folders with albums in them. We create portals, which are public and private shared spaces, using albums. Let's open up the real estate folder and then click on real estate to view the real estate album. We have a large, rich album of real estate images that we can deliver to clients with a portal. Let's say that I need to deliver all of these images to a real estate agent, so we'll create a portal with this album as the contents. To create a portal, I'll go ahead and click on my avatar and choose Settings, and then scroll down and click on New Publishing Portal. I'll start off by giving my portal a name, and I'll call it Real Estate Agents. Then a description, which I'll just say For Real Estate Agents, and the URL slug could be Real Estate. The URL slug shows up as a part of the portal's URL. I'll change the users and groups to public so that everyone can view it. Now, we need to point our portal to the real estate images. So under the content header, I'll click on Add. I'll click the real estate folder and then choose the real estate album to select those images. I'll turn auto sync to on, which will automatically add any images to the portal if we add them to the album. Okay, all done. I'll just click on Finish and the portal will be published. Back in the main Canto library, you can always open up the menu on the left, find the portal section, and click on the name of the portal to open it. Just one problem, not all of the images we were looking at earlier are showing. Why is this? Well, it's because not all of our images have been approved in our Canto library. Files in Canto have an approval status that control if they'll show in portals. Even though they're in the album, they haven't been approved for the portal. Let's leave our portal and go back to our entire Canto library. I'll click on the menu on the left side and open the real estate folder and then choose the real estate album. I'm going to click on an image here to show you why it might be missing from a portal. Let's check the image's status. I'll go ahead and click on the box labeled status here to review it. You can see here that the image is pending, which means that it hasn't been approved for publishing on a portal. We need to change the image's status to approved so that it appears in our portals. I'll click the drop down and change it to approved and then press OK. However, there's a much faster way to do this for multiple images. Let's see how. Let's go ahead and press the X to leave this menu. I'll go ahead and change all of these images in the album to approved. Let's select the first image by clicking in the upper right corner on the checkbox as we hover over it. Then I'll click on the Select All button. We've selected all images, and then I'll click on the Edit button in the upper right corner. Now we're changing the options for all of our images. I'll check the box next to Status and then choose Approved from the drop-down menu. When we hit Apply, all of our images have moved to Approved status. If we click on my avatar and then return to the real estate portal, you'll see that the images are now all showing in our portal. Basically, if any images from your album are missing on your portal, it's likely because the images haven't been approved yet. Just batch select them and then change their status to approved to make them show in the portal. Thanks for watching.